Hello everyone, welcome to this webinar. I'm Product Manager Jason. I'm happy to be here to present our new product Qts Gateway to you guys. So today I'm going to introduce IEI, the first priority product on the second half 2016, Qts Gateway. So someone may have heard of this solution, no matter in 2016 Computex or from IEI website or from region sales. So, however, I think not everyone understands what is this solution and how it works on IPC. This year, IEI collaborated with QNAP. We combined two company resources, hardware and software, to produce this solution. First, I will show you the similar IoT solution in the IPC market. Okay, from the slide from left to right, we have Advantech Wise Pass, AD-Link, SIMA Cloud, Nextcom IoT Studio, and our Qts Gateway. So for our competitor, they are more focused on field side sensor data collection. So, but IEI, we heard some market demand, so we designed from bottom to top, from the bottom data collection to the top cloud data transmission. So IEI Qts Gateway support the virtualization technology, container technology, building Linux system and system restore, backup, and system data sync. So from the above comparison chart, I think IEI's Qts Gateway is your best choice. Let's go into our main topic, Qts Gateway. Let me introduce the cloud-based IPC. Usually, we consider the NAS is for consumer or some high-end server purpose only. However, IEI Qts Gateway can bring you something different. IEI product provide ruggedized, fanless, wide temperature, wide voltage, and more extension slots. So, and QNAP help us to design some function and diversity APPs for IPC business only. And for IoT solution, in IEI Qts Gateway, there are three major keys. First is Virtualization Station. Second is Container Station. Third is Linux Station. We provide 3-in-1 virtualized application, so the Qts Gateway fully satisfies virtualized application demand by providing 3 options for industrial IT personnel. And first, I'm going to introduce you the Virtualization Station. This is the first key for the IoT. Virtualization Station, so take our Tank XCT QGW, for example. This machine supports Intel VTD and allows external PCIe device and COM ports to connect the virtual machines to provide high-performance computing and transmission. There is no need to worry when replacing old machine to new virtual machines, because physical to virtual technology can be used to create a familiar operating system on the virtual machine. Existing service and data can also be moved to virtual machine, adding more flexible system management. So how's your IT person install OS currently? From the ISO image or from Ghost? So when you use VM, Virtualization Station, you can import your image file. It saves time and saves your money. So someone may think is that possible that some failure occurs when virtual machine is running? So we have some methods to prevent disaster happen, such as VM snapshot, and VM backup. Virtualization Station provides snapshot feature to record the virtual machine system status at a point of time. And at the event of virtual machine failure, user can quickly roll it back to the snapshot time to ensure continuous system operation. Virtualization Station allows you to back up active VMs without shutting them down, and snapshot of original VM can also be kept to be rolled back to any point of time even after restoring the VMs. Third, remote import and export. So the VM files are easy to import, export between NAS to NAS. So you can ask me, is it hard to install VM Virtualization Station? I can tell you it's pretty easy. So the only thing you need to do just key in the IP address from remote NAS, and you can move the NAS, or you can move the virtual machine image from other NAS. So it's pretty easy. Just click, followed by step, like 3 or 4 steps, and you can create your own virtual machine. Of course, there's a traditional way. You can create a new virtual machine by import ISO file. It's just like you install the normal Windows. But we can provide you the easier way. Just import the VM file. So how can you create a VM file? There are some free software on internet, such as VMware Converter. So just download this app, followed by steps, and the app will help you to create your VM file. And you can import this file, then you will get a new virtual machine. And the second key for IoT is Container Station. Container Station is a lightweight virtualization technology that allows you to quickly deploy a large number of environments. It supports the required device protocols such as MQTT, the interface service, and the data computation needed in the IoT environment. Container Station offered the most up-to-date and top-of-the-technology application for deployment. So what's the difference between Virtualization Station and Container Station? We can consider about Container Station is a total opposite concept of Virtualization Station. Virtualization Station create different virtual machines based on hardware resource. Take Tank X60 QGW for example, because each virtual machines take different percentage of hardware resources. So we probably are able to create 4 to 5 virtual machines in one time. However, applications in the Container Station need only less resources. It will only gather each app's environment setting and data. So the same Tank X60 QGW may run over 100 apps under the same resources. And the third key for the IoT is Linux Station. And Tank X60 QGW perfectly run both QTS and Linux operating system. We can output the entire Ubuntu desktop through VGA DP and DVI display port, like operating a real computer. Remote control can also be performed at any time by using a web browser. We believe there are high percentage customers using Linux OS instead of Windows. So we provide a free and installed Ubuntu OS for customers. And the HD Station. In the past, NAS can only be found on intranet or internet. When you are trying to set up a system, users usually need to set up the internet environment first. But now, HD Station can help customers to set up and use system on local site. HD Station helps users easier to access virtual machine or QTS gateway. So you can think we don't need to we don't need to set up the router or need to the internet cables. You just need to plug in the display or monitor on the machine. So you can use your NAS or you can use your machine like Tank XCC QGW. And the next, hybrid backup sync. Hybrid backup sync is a multifunctional backup solution where you can easily back up data to a local system. Storage space on the local LAN, remote server or cloud storage. Hybrid backup sync can help prevent data loss from system crash and critical hardware failure. So we can back up your customer's data on local computer or remote NAS, or you can back up on the cloud side. Yeah. Here's a QRM Plus and QRM Agent. QRM Plus is a remote management solution. It helps users to monitor their system and machines in the internet. User can read and monitor system health through these apps. This app also supports IPMI, which I think everybody is very familiar, the Iris. So it also supports Iris solution. And Surveillance Station. Surveillance Station is professional network surveillance video management, being one of the Qts Gateway standard application. This app can be activated on Qts App Center to turn the NAS into a professional network video recorder. So basically, we support 4 free cameras, but Tank XCT QGW support up to 50 cameras. But you probably heard some NAS from QNAP that support 80s, but this machine has the limitation because QNAP only support 50 on Tank X60. If you want buy, if you think 4 free camera is not enough, you can buy license from internet, from IEI and QNAP website. And here's the security, because some may think, how can I do the security on my NAS or on my system? We have the network environment configuration. So this machine provides 2 networks for different application service. Each service can use a port to manage the network. I'm talking about Tank X60 QGW because it has the 2 internet ports. And the second, account security. There are 2-step authorization. There are 2-step authorization refers to having to enter an additional set of 6-digit dynamic password generated by the paired mobile device. So you can set up your email account first, then every time you want to log in your system, you will need the system will send out the authorization email and ask you and provide you a 6-digit password. So you have to key in the password and to click the mail from your mailbox. So that way you can log in your system. And third is transmission encryption and data encryption, and we have virus protection. Qts Gateway has embedded the antivirus software which is able to detect the virus. And of course, Tank XCT QGW has 2.5 HDD base, so it can do RAID 0 and RAID 1. And we can do the local and remote snapshot. Use a snapshot synchronization function in hybrid backup sync to snapshot and backup. Of course, you can connect your, there are many mobile device apps can support Qts Gateway, which provide users more way to access their system. So you can download this app from no matter the Google Store, Apple Store, and play Google Play. Yeah. So I think these apps are already on the market, so you can download it, and there's a very detailed description to teach you how to use this app to access or to connect to your system. And I'm trying to tell you, we have some customer in Taiwan. They are using our Tank X60 QGW. So this customer is originally using our Tank X60, our standard product. So they use this product to be their to put on their product line workstation. So and the Tank X60 QGW provides customer not only multiple extension slots, but data center and data analysis. So especially for this customer, because they have already paid like $1 million to purchase their equipment like 10 or 14 years ago. So they don't want to pay another $1 million, and their system are running need to run under Win 2000. So our virtualization station provide them the environment, so we can their apps can run under our virtualization station. So besides that, they are thinking about to meet the future IoT demand. They are trying to gather some data from the systems and do some data analysis. So they ask us for help. So we are helping each other. So and I can tell you, you can welcome to use our system, no matter you use our Tank X60 or other device which support QTS Gateway. And you can share your story to us, and we can help you to enhance your productivity. So this is the QTS Gateway structure on customer in Taiwan. So you can see they already use our Tank X60 as their workstation. So they need another machines which can run Windows 2000. So we provide them the Tank X60 QGW to be their server. So this is our QTS Gateway roadmap. So you can see we have Tank X60 QGW is announced. So we will have the embedded box, embedded system, and panel PC. So, and I believe we have over more than 10 products will be announced in 2017. So QTS Gateway is not only support one product. We support 10 to 20 products. It's a total IoT solution. So this is my presentation today.